This is an Ellis Mowers and More product review. Interested in buying this product? The link is in the description below. Have a product inquiry or a home, garden, or automotive product or tool to review? Email me, ellis@ellismowers.com, or reach out on Instagram and Facebook at Ellis Mowers and More. And as always, like and subscribe for more product reviews and small engine content. On today's product review, we have a product from Powrun. It's one of their new jump starters. It's the P1 Max. Fairly large. Has the ability to give you like an emergency light and also to charge your phone on it as well. So it comes in this really nice carrying case. It's pretty beefy for what it is as well. Again, we have kind of a separator panel here, a warranty card, user manual, how to use this, and then we get this thing out right here. And again, this is a fairly large product here. I'll set it beside a phone here in just a second for y'all to give y'all an idea. It actually has a display and everything on it. So that's a phone versus this, so you can kind of see the difference in between the two. We'll go ahead and turn this on. Shows you 78%, which is awesome. You hook your jumper cables up to this side right here. This side right here is going to have all of your charging ports. So we'll start off with the light. Pretty standard. When you click it on, it'll show you the percentage of the battery, and then you hold it for 3 seconds and the light comes on. You can see that is some bright stuff right there. It has 3 different settings: the full on, the quick flash, and then the SOS. And then turn it off, or you can hold it for 3 seconds, turn it on, hold it for 3 seconds, turn it off. This came out of the box at 76 or 78%, so we'll see how much juice it uses when I turn it on. But this thing's got a very big area for a power pack. This one actually does come with a charging brick, which is nice. And so you'll plug it into the wall just like your regular charger. If you want to charge your phone or device, you just plug it in right there, big USB, and then it comes with the USB-C, so that if you have like an Android device or a non-Apple device, you just plug it in, push the power button, and you see the word out on the display there, and you can see that my phone is charging. So that's awesome. So now we're talking about a lawnmower here, but this applies to any car or anything that has a 12-volt system, golf cart, four-wheeler, whatever. So always positive first, and then we're going to hit the ground here. I've already got this thing, see, it's ready, primed and ready. So once it hits this, now we should have, do we have anything? Yes. So it'll give you a boost when you have it correct. So if I have this the wrong way, this red light will come on and it'll say reverse. So I'm going to attempt to crank this over by doing exactly what I just showed y'all here. We're going to push the power button, make sure the percentage lights up. We're going to hit the boost button, and then we're just going to try and crank it over here. And it gives you about 5 or 6 seconds of cranking power. You do have to let it rest for a minute, and then once you let it rest, it should allow you, it went down to 73%. It should allow you to do it again. Again, about 5 or 6 seconds of cranking power. These opposed twin Briggs & Stratton engines are pretty hard to turn over. So for the fact that this thing just kicked it right over without even a battery, and those 2 tries knocked us down, we're down to under 70% now. So it'll give you a decent amount of starts though. Again, it takes a lot of power to start this stuff up. So, And again, sometimes it'll automatically turn the green light back on, especially if it does sense power from the battery or a little bit of existing power. But if not, you can always hit that boost button. So we're going to perform the same practice that I just did. I'm just going to spray some carb spray in before I try to start it, just to show y'all that it does have enough power to actually start the machine. All right, let me hit the boost button one more time. Started in years, guys, and it just kicked right over. How about that? So it just, like I said, just kicked it right over. No issues. It probably will do it right again here. Let's boost it. So there's your proof of concept right there. It works great. We don't even have a battery hooked up to this thing, and it just kicked it right over. It's still got some light on it. So there we go. And you see it blinking now, so still hanging out at 66%, which is good. Wow, that thing ran with no issues. And again, it held that boost for a little bit there. I could just crank it over without even having to hit the button, so that's awesome too. Alright guys, so that's everything with this PowerRun P1 Max jump starter. It works fantastic. Y'all saw we started that lawnmower with ease, and that thing hasn't been started in years. It's been sitting up in storage for a really long time and just kicked it over like nothing. So thank you all for watching this product review, and thank you PowerRun for this product, and we'll catch y'all in the next video.